Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. Today, we're going to discuss mobile proxies and the industries where they shine. Let's get started. Mobile proxies play vital roles across various sectors. Let's examine the key industries leveraging mobile proxies. Research. If your research requires data collection across multiple regions within a single country, mobile proxies are invaluable. They emulate access to online resources from various parts of a country, enabling region-specific data acquisition. For instance, understanding user preferences from distinct cities becomes effortless. Assessing a website's availability and download speeds from varied parts of your chosen proxy country is also simplified. Plus, if you're conducting competitor analysis, mobile proxies enhance anonymity. With constantly changing IP addresses, linking the research back to you or your organization becomes challenging. Social networks. The rotating nature of mobile proxies ensures you receive a fresh IP address with each change, useful for account registration. Their high credibility makes you appear as a genuine user, shielding proxy usage from detection. If you're aiming to produce content or initiate ad campaigns for a specific nation, these proxies are invaluable. They let you access social platforms as if you're within different regions of your target country, optimizing content and ads to local tastes. Web scraping. Mobile proxies are pivotal for evading blocks set up by websites against web scraping. Their ability to issue requests from varied IPs lets you sidestep request rate limits. Plus, with dynamic IP addresses in play, they drastically reduce block risks. They're even adept at bypassing security measures like CAPTCHAs due to their organic IP changes. Top-tier companies are also in on the action. Google, with its Google Global Cache technology, Google uses proxy servers to enhance content loading speeds, like videos and images, by caching them at ISP-based proxies. Facebook. Prioritizing user experience, Facebook leverages proxy servers to guarantee rapid page loads. By distributing user traffic across multiple servers, it efficiently manages vast user request volumes. Twitter. Much like its counterparts, Twitter harnesses proxy servers for traffic optimization and swift content loading. These servers contribute to the platform's overall efficiency and responsiveness. In summary, mobile proxies seamlessly integrate across sectors, whether it's personal, for tight-knit teams, or large corporations. However, the key is landing a top-notch mobile proxy that offers 24/7 uptime and consistent speeds, because that's when you truly enjoy peak anonymity and efficiency. If you're on the hunt for one, look no further than Proxy-Seller. We offer a spectrum of proxies, covering over 20 locations and 20+ mobile carriers. We guarantee 100% anonymity, performance, and 24/7 support. Check the description for a special 10% off coupon code and the website link. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.